What is going on, guys? So finally we have the rest of the exhaust, as I only had the cat back originally. So I've bought the, no, I know it's in a Tommy box. It is not the Tommy setup. It is the 3-inch Invidia front pipe, and I think this is a custom, like somewhere in Australia they make this custom downpipe as well, which has more flow in the normal housing, and obviously has a screamer for the internal wastegate. Yeah, I didn't know which one I wanted to get. I didn't know if I wanted to go straight Tommy all the way back, but it's pretty expensive. We're gonna jack the car up and have a crack at it. Hopefully I can get it on today. I'm hoping so. I'm just like crossing my fingers right now, because I feel like for how rusty the hot side is of the turbo, gonna probably be a pain. I do have the breaker bar, but obviously I don't want to break anything. So we'll get the car jacked up and we'll start doing the turbo side. If I can get the side off that has the studs, that has this side of it, because we've got a brand new gasket there. If I can get all those bolts off of the thing, then the exhaust end near the cat on that is going to be easy as. So we'll jack the car up and have a look at trying to get this done in the next hour. So we've got the car jacked up now, and we will get under it and eventually, yeah, this is what's gonna be a pain. But basically those two bolts, one there and one on the other side, I'll probably get the front pipe off first. 2 bolts on the outside right there and there, which are just used as hanger rods, and then obviously the connection there. So I'll get that front pipe out first to make everything easier, and then we will try and get this manifold out, which I feel like is not going to be fun. It is what it is. Evo things, right? So let's get it done. Front pipe is out. Look at the difference this is gonna make. I'm pretty sure that's only 2.5, that's 3-inch. And it's, yeah, very restrictive. It's probably only 2-inch. I don't even know what it is, to be totally honest. Probably 2-inch, but yeah, very restrictive. See, it's got like a flat spot there. Yeah, this one is gonna make a massive difference. So this is where it's going to be painful. Day 2 of this exhaust was an absolute pain yesterday when I was working on it. It was just the dump, which I've got off now, which is over here. Rusty as. So you can imagine the bolts and stuff, which I've got the bolts here. I was trying to get neons today, but I had to go to Bolt Master and it's closed. So I got these bolts to fill the gap in between there. You can't grind this down because, see, it doesn't have a thread. There we go. So the thread actually doesn't go all the way to the end. So you can't grind it down and just use that, because obviously that won't thread in. So you basically get something to fill the stock bolt, just as like a bougie way to fill the gap on the bolt. So I got 2 of them for when I can do that, which I got my mate Nick that got me another intercooler pipe for over there. The top side, sorry, cold side. So that should already have the SAS system plugged on it. Not even plugged, it just shouldn't even be on it. So when I get that pipe, then I'll be able to obviously chuck the 2 bolts in, plumb whatever the vacuums are that are on the inlet manifold, and whatever, it is what it is, bada bing, bada boom. So today I'm going to, which should be quick, I've tightened the O2 sensor into the new downpipe. The original bolts should be sweet for it, and it's got a brand new gasket on the side. He's just cable tied it on so it stayed with the kit. Yeah, it's a real mess under here at the moment, so I'm gonna try fit that off, which is just 3 bolts, 2 nuts. Painful to get to. It's just a massive pain. The front pipe, if you've got to change a front pipe, if you're happy to keep the stock down pipe, that stock rusty thing over there, then you're absolutely cheering, because it was just 2 bolts, pull out, done. That was like, I was just like, done, 5 minutes, let's go. No, and then the rest just took forever, so it was not good. Let's get to chucking this new one in. I'm not gonna show too much, or I can try to, because it's just in an awkward position, but pretty much putting that onto the plate, bolting it, and yeah, getting it all situated. So we'll get that done. I'll record what I can. Hopefully we can start it today and take it for a rip and hear the first time I can hear a screamer on an internally gated car. So I don't know how loud it's going to be. Obviously the MPS had a screamer, but that was on an external gate. Don't know really if it makes a difference or not, but we'll soon find out. So let's get it. We got there in the end. They are in. I just need to tighten them now. With that screamer pipe in the way, obviously, there's like no room at all. I had to do all of them pretty much from the top. So I'll tighten these ones on the dump, plug the O2 sensor back in. Yeah, basically put all that on, put it on the hangers and stuff, and then pack up, get it off the jack stands and start it, and then we'll take it around, see how much of a difference this is. Also, next video as well, unless it's in this one, I don't know, I might put it in there, might not. I'm going to be painting the headlights, so having all of the chrome bit black. Basically this Evo's starting to come together now, which is good. And then yeah, I might also have a manifold on the way, intercooler pipe. I think I've got a blow-off valve as well on the way. Be able to get rid of this SAS system. Might not do it today because I'm running out of time, and I've got to wait for that because I don't have a plug for the intercooler pipe. So I'll wait till I get the new intercooler piping, and then I should be able to do that easy as. So let's tighten this dump pipe on, and then put the front pipe on, and get this thing cranking. I didn't record too much because it's been a pain. It started raining, I had to quickly run outside and get all the stuff, but she is in. Let me grab, oh man, it's so tight under here. I can't wait till one day I have a freaking lift, but let me get this. Ugh. She's in. So now, can you see up there? Yeah. Okay. So now it's just get the lower side of the intercooler piping on, pretty much go up the top, connect up and fix up whatever I've got up there. That's it. Turn the key and listen to how loud the new idle is going to be with this big 3-inch I thought it was loud before, but it's going to be loud. So let's do that. You can't see me under here, it's dark, I'm sorry, but I need to get out of this.
Tomorrow for sure.
Yesterday I got it all fitted and didn't get to start it. It was late, so I haven't heard it yet. Then my parents came over for dinner and got to see my baby. So yeah, I haven't got to start it yet. Now it's the following day, so it's Sunday, and it's quite cold outside. So I'm gonna take it for a quick Sunday stroll. Might get some photos and stuff, even though it still looks the same as anything until I get this Evo 9 rear bar, which I need to get. Nick, don't remind me, I already know. Yeah, let's get a first start, and it's gonna be so much, it's gonna be so loud. Moment of truth. Oh my god. Look at all the soot. Is what it is. Wow. There's a lot of condensation in there. Alright, let's quickly get this out the garage and take it for a spin. Alright, somehow I set the camera up and it doesn't look like it's going to move, which is pretty cool. It kind of is what it is. So, at first, yeah, it kind of sounds way like deeper. I don't know if there's an exhaust leak. Kind of sounds very like puffy. Might have to get it up on the jack stands again. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Oh, it sounds good. I'll put the window down, see if it makes a difference. It is so deep. Oh my god. It's so deep. And I haven't even heard the screamer bit yet. But I would really like to see where the where this puppy, like puffy sound is coming from, as I can't think. I did everything tight. It could be maybe the gasket on the downpipe, the round one that was on there, maybe slipped and is on an angle, and when I've tightened it up it wasn't properly, or I don't know. I don't know. Can't tell you, everybody. I cannot tell you. This light's gonna go. I want to hear gate. The gate sounds like, I don't know, like it sounds cool, but it sounds so different because I'm so used to like the, oh sorry, I keep saying gate. The screamer sounds different because obviously it's not externally gated, it's internally gated. Oh shit, it's loud. I mean, I don't know if I like the screamer that much. I mean, just the sound of the, like how deep it is now, it just sounds like so much better just before it hits the gate. And I think because as well I'm used to the MPS, where the MPS was like exhaust, and then it was like, then like when you're top end of the boost, then the gate would, like the screamer would come in. Because this is obviously stock tune, it's coming on and then the screamer's staying on for ages. So yeah, to me that's what like makes it sound like weird. Sounds good, everybody. Alright, I'll take this for a quick spin, see if I can get some shots, and oh wow, yeah, I can't really get any outside clips. I don't have a suction cup for the GoPro. Does sound good. I hope you all liked it, and yeah, remember to subscribe. Remember, RSK is a family. Spread the word. We'll see you in the next one. I've also got a couple more mods coming, as I said at the start. I think I did, but obviously we'll be installing them and I'll be recording it all, so I'll keep you in the loop. Let's go left here. I don't even know what's left, and the sun is in my eyes, but it is what it is. We'll see you in the next one. Anyway, like and subscribe. RSK's family. Let's go.